Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on REALME C71. So first, make sure that your cable isn't broken in any way. As you can see, it is not. Then go into your phone to battery, and we need to check if there is an option to enable the fast charging, but I don't see it. So the fast charging is always on. Then take a look in your charging port, and if it's clogged, just clean it, but not with a metallic tool. Just use a Q-tip or a wooden stick, and try to plug in your cable to other phone to try it, or plug a different cable to this phone. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.